Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Last video we installed the new analog pressure sensor, and instead of getting an F20 F35 error, I started getting an F21. I've been avoiding the back panel because I am lazy and I think it'll be a lot of work, but the time has come. Let's do some research. Okay, I'm gonna follow Jim Dandy's video here because his journey has been similar to mine. He changed out the pressure sensor and did a bunch of other stuff, but his problem ended up being this air trap. So let's go take it apart and see if we could find it. That wasn't too bad. I have 10 of these fasteners that went 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 in the middle, 4 on that side. The top has 1, 2, 3 and matches 1, 2, 3. The fasteners are a little bit longer and more fine threads. Let's work on getting that out. I don't think this is my problem because it's pretty clean compared to his. I did rinse everything out. I also checked this hose that connected to the analog pressure sensor and it does look intact. I don't see any areas that might be ripped, but let's put it back and try running a load. I knew that wasn't gonna work because ours is pretty clean, still getting Sud's F21. I'm starting to think it's the drain pump because it sounds like it's working pretty hard trying to clear the water. So we know what we're doing next for our washing machine journey. But for now, Airtrap is clean, video 230 done.